guys, in today's video I will be attempting to grow the biggest frost spike plant. Yes guys, for those of you who do not know what a frost spike plant is, you need to stick around to the end of this video to find out what a frost spike plant is and also the benefits of a frost spike plant. So guys, I have the frost spike seed in my hand and I'm going to go right away to plant it. While I plant, you guys, I'm going to be telling you the benefit of this particular plant. I'm also going to be doing a trade. For those of you who are interested in trading, I'm going to be doing a trade in this video, and I'm also going to be doing a giveaway, guys. So what are you waiting for? I repeat guys, you just have to watch the end of this video to find out all of this amazing stuff. Remember to leave a comment, subscribe and like this video. Let me know in the comment section what other health benefits you want me to look into, and I will be planting these fruits for you. So let's go right away. So we're going to be using the flashbang as usual to make sure that our seed grows instantly. So I have to have the full concentration this is going to get me. So I'm changing slot so that I can get the flashbang, guys. I'm rushing. I want to plant anywhere, guys. Yes, I did this, guys. So while that is happening, let us see if the flashbang is going to work. I did. So let's see, the flashbang comes. Here we go. I'm thinking that when we come back, definitely my frost spike is fully grown. And yes, guys, it's fully grown. So guys, we are going to be adding all the grandmasters and all the sprinklers to actually see what is going to happen. But not to worry, we already have one frost spike. Yes, to grow, but I'm just going to replace it, and I've invited my other players to come and other farmers to come help me with these guys. I don't know why my pets are just, like disturbing all around. So guys, we're going to be placing this all around. Yes, guys, it's the master sprinkler, the grandmaster sprinkler, the godly. We're going to be placing all of this around. Advanced sprinklers. We're going to be placing this to just see, just maybe we're going to get something gigantic. We don't know yet, but just maybe. Okay, so just maybe, so we're just going to do that and see if this is going to work. So, and I'm also going to put in basic sprinklers around, guys. Yes, so we have bombarded this particular plant with a lot of sprinklers, guys. So we are going to watch, we're going to wait, we're going to see if this particular frost spike is going to do anything or become the biggest frost spike in the world. So we're just going to keep putting things around to see how that works. Remember, guys, I just collected the one that came with the particular plant when it grew. Yeah, so we know what the frost spike looks like. But nevertheless, guys, we're also going to be cooking a recipe with this frost spike all in this video. But before we even start thinking about cooking any recipes with this frost spike, okay, guys, let's just allow this frost spike to keep growing, guys. Yes. Look at, something is happening, guys. Look at this. I don't want to leave the screen because if we do, we might just not see what's going to happen, guys. I'm trying to zoom out, guys, for us to see, guys. Something is going to happen. Something is definitely going to happen, guys. And we are looking at this, guys. Yes, guys. I'm sorry this is flooding your screen, but it's growing bigger, guys. Yes, it's growing bigger. Okay, guys, it's growing bigger. And my pets are climbing it already, guys. Look at this beauty, guys. Look at this. Look at this, guys. My plant is growing. It's growing. Remember, guys, I'm going to tell you the benefit of frost spike plants, guys. I'm going to tell you the benefits so that you can actually get a frost spiky plant and use it for your health benefits. So let's keep going. Oh my days. Let's keep going. Wow, guys, look at this. Something is happening, guys. You know how we roll, guys. Something is definitely happening. Something is definitely happening here, guys. It's growing, guys. Can you see this? It's growing. So while it grows, guys, let me let you into Yes, guys, while it's growing, guys. It is growing. It is growing. It's bigger than me now, right now, guys. I had to come out to actually see it. I had to come out of the garden to actually see, guys. Look at this, guys. It's growing. It's growing. Look at this, guys. In real time on the screen, guys. This is amazing. This is amazing. This is what I'm talking about, guys. This looks like the tranquil bloom, guys. What do you think? It has the same color with the tranquil bloom. Like, guys, look at this. Look at this. Look at this, guys. It is growing. It is growing, guys. It is growing. That's what we're talking about, guys. We don't know how big this is going to grow, but definitely, guys, can you see that the sprinklers, they do the magic? They actually work, guys. Yes, it is growing, guys. It is growing. It is growing. So we're going to allow it grow. And while it is growing, let me just let you in to the benefits of a frostbite plant. So, guys, for those of you who don't know what a frostbite plant is, so these are plants that have spiky exterior, yes, such as the prickly pear, the rambutan, or even the passion fruit. So those kind of plants, guys, they are rich in antioxidants. Those of you who are wondering what's antioxidants, so for example, the prickly pear and the passion fruits are rich in antioxidants which help protect against cell damage, inflammation, and diseases like cancer and heart diseases. Yes, guys. So another one you need to that is very important is your immune system boost. So the rambutan and the passion fruit are very high in vitamin C, guys. They boost the immune system and aids in tissue repair. Guys, look at how beautiful this is, guys. Look at this. Look at this. It's growing. It's growing. This is gigantic, guys. I can tell you for free. This is absolutely gigantic, guys. Thanks to my co-farmers, as they are always helping me thrive. So let's continue with the health benefits, guys. The digestive health, yes. So prickly pear, rambutan, and passion fruits are good source of dietary fiber, promoting your digestive health, preventing constipation, and supporting healthy blood sugar levels. Another thing you need to also know is they may help you manage your blood sugar. Passion fruit has a low glycemic index, making it suitable for people with diabetes or insulin resistance. Prickle pear may also help lower your blood sugar levels, yes. And guess what, guys? It supports your heart health. Passion fruits and halal fruits may help lower cholesterol levels and improve blood circulation, reducing the risk of heart diseases. Yes, guys. Look at this, guys. Our frost spike is finally ready. So, guys, before we go trade it, I'm going to collect it and see if another one is going to grow because we don't want to waste the sprinkler. And we're going to trade it and see how much this gigantic first spike costs. But before we even go to start part of the video for those who are interested in trading their pets, trading their plants, and all of these things with me, we are just going to finish with the health benefits of the frost spike kind of plant. So, guys, like I said again, it supports heart health. Passion fruit and halal fruit may help lower cholesterol levels and improve blood circulation, reducing the risk of heart disease. Guys, they may also have anti-cancer properties. Rambutan skin and seeds may have anti-cancer properties. If you didn't know this, let me just let you know. While passion fruits, antioxidants, and polyphenols may help prevent cancer cell growth. So it also supports your bone health. Yes, the bone health is something I want to really talk about. Yes, passion fruit is rich in minerals like magnesium, copper, and phosphorus, which promotes bone health and may help prevent osteoporosis. It also may help you manage your weight because rambutan and halal fruits are known for they are low in calories and high in fiber, making them a nutritious addition to a weight loss diet, guys. But guys, always remember there is always a precaution to all of this. In case you're wondering what is the precaution, I'm going to go right ahead and let you know. So, guys, precaution number one. First, you need to even know before we dive into the precaution that I'm not a certified health person. I'm just doing the research. I'm bringing it down to you guys and also having fun planting in my farm and garden. So this is an educational and fun video. So yes, guys. So do well to do all of the research that you need to do about the spike, frost spike plants. Yes. And guess what, guys? For the precautions, allergic reaction. Some people may be allergic to certain spiky fruits, so it's essential to monitor for any adverse reactions. And moderation, guys, is key. I can't overemphasize. Consume these fruits in moderation, especially if you are watching your sugar intake or have specific dietary needs, guys. So as you can see, we are still growing another spike fruit. So guys, let's go check out how much the other spike fruit is worth. Yes, guys. For those of you who want to trade, after checking out the price, I'm going to let you know what I'm trading so that you can make your offers in the comment section, guys. Yes, 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 yes. Remember, guys, we're going to actually make a recipe with the spike fruits, frost, spike seed. I'm going to make a recipe, but not to worry, I'm going to see into that. So let's find out the frost here. Okay, let's go. So let's see how much does this cost, guys. So it's gigantic. How much does it cost? How much is this worth? Okay, guys, it is worth 4 million, guys. That's a lot of money for just one spike. That's good money, guys. So, guys, now that we know how much it's worth, I'm definitely going to sell my inventory. Yes, guys, I'm going to sell my inventory. So I want to sell. And I will also try and do a recipe. I got 15 million, which is not bad, considering the fact that it was just a spike if you got. So yes, I'm going to collect it and still see. I'm just going to take advantage. I'm taking advantage of all the sprinklers. And yes, guys. So for those of you who waited this long to find out what we'll be trading, and also I have a giveaway for you guys. Yes, yes, yes. So if you watch to this point of the video, there's also a giveaway. So I'm gonna sell my inventory. Yeah, 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 yeah. There's also absolutely also a giveaway. So guys, let's see how this goes. What will our giveaway be? What will our giveaway be? Okay. So let me show you first. Guys, something is happening to my garden, guys. Whoa. Now this particular first spike wants to do something, guys. Now, just when we thought we found the biggest, it looks like this is going to be bigger than the others, guys. So while we wait for this to show us how big it's going to be, let me wow, woo, guys, this is amazing. This is going to really be huge, and it's already reddish because it got a mutation, guys. It got a mutation. So while I'm waiting to see what this is going to be like, what this is going to grow into, wow, 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 guys, wow, just wow. This is definitely one of the most beautiful frost spike seeds ever. This is definitely going to be one of the most beautiful frost spike seeds ever. Wow, wow. Now this is getting bigger than I thought, guys. Now this is going to be the biggest, guys. Look at this, guys. Look at this. Look at this. Wow. Wow. This is going to be something else, guys. So while this is actually growing and growing, now this is definitely going above anything we can imagine, guys. So I'm going to tell my other farmers to leave so that we can actually appreciate. They're going to leave the server so that we can appreciate how big this is going to get. So other farmers leave the server now so that we can appreciate how big this is getting bigger. And I need everybody here to actually see how big this is going. This is now definitely bigger. All farmers leave the server. Yes, guys. So this is whoa, guys. This is officially the biggest frost spike plant ever, guys. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Okay, guys. For those of you who do not, who I am overwhelmed with how big this is. So let me just quickly show you guys what I want to trade, guys. Yes, guys, look at this baby. I have a 34-year-old swan. Yes, guys, look at this baby. This is a 34-year-old swan, and I want to trade this 34-year-old swan, guys. Who would like to trade this 34-year-old swan with me? This one is actually very big and it is 34-year-old. So who wants to trade this 34-year-old swan with me? Let me know in the comment section, guys. Let me know, let me know, let me know. Okay, this is absolutely great. So guys, another thing that I want to show you guys, I told you guys if you watch till this part of the video, there's going to be a giveaway. So guys, let's look at the giveaway. Okay, so guess what, guys? I have a giveaway for you guys, and this is the shiny grizzly bear. So I'm going to be giving this shiny grizzly bear for absolutely free to one of my subscribers and those who are active. So if you know you are active on this channel and you are subscribed, let me know in the comment section and let me know why I should give you this grizzly bear. For those of you who don't know, this is a shiny grizzly bear. It has a mutation, and guess what, guys? Grizzly bears are absolutely great. Yes, they make you look taller. Yeah, so if you have a lot of grizzly bears in your farm, you will be so huge. Yes, you will be so huge. Your character is going to be so big. So grizzly bears are something that people are indeed looking forward to have because it makes you really, 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 really gigantic. So who is going to get this grizzly bear? Let me know, and that is our giveaway, guys. Okay. So back to this, guys. My first is red, guys. Oh my days, guys. See how big this. I can tell you for a fact that I have the biggest frost spike ever that has a flaming mutation. Guys, I have the biggest frost spike flaming. So definitely you have to watch the video, the full video, to know how I got this gigantic frost spike plant, which is like the biggest plant, like the biggest frost spike I have ever seen, guys. So watch the full video, to find out how I got this particular frost spike, guys. So we're going to actually take it now and go sell to find out how much it's worth, guys. And guess what, guys? Let me know in the comment section. Do not cheat. Before I get to the sell area, let me know in the comment section how much do you think this gigantic frost spike is going to be worth, considering the fact that the other one was worth about I think 4 million or so. So how much do you think this is going to be worth, guys? Tell me, tell me, tell me. So let's go. Okay, this is 135 kg. Of course, it's blocking my whole body because it is gigantic. So let's find out how much it's going to be worth. How much is this worth, guys? Let's see. It is worth, whoa, something into the QI or so, guys. Yes. So, guys, let me know. Do you think it was worth it? Definitely was worth it because I'm going to sell this, guys. I'm definitely going to sell, and I'm going to sell it, and I'm going to become so rich, guys. Yes, this is how we get rich with the first spike seed. Okay, guys, thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed every bit of it. I'm waiting for you in the comment section to get your trade or to get your giveaway. Take care, guys. Bye.